Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF format. So the process is very easy. We have two ways to do that, and let us make first a Word document. So let me open first my Word application. So just make a click in the Windows icon and then go to Word. And then let's make a new one, blank document. So in here, for example, I have a sample document, and I want this document to be converted into PDF form or PDF format. So whenever I want to do that, no matter how many pages I have in my Word document, I can still do that just by following the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So let us click on the File tab here, and then you will see in the left pane Export option. So just please click on it, and you will see in the Export option the Create PDF or XPS document option, and the Change File Type, and Send Documents to Kindle. So in the right hand section, you will see Create a PDF or XPS document, preserves layout, formatting fonts, and images. Content can't be easily changed. Free viewers are available on the web. Okay, so all we need to do is just click on this Create PDF or XPS button here. And once we do that, we will be redirected, or you will see this Publish as PDF or XPS window here. So all you need to do in the left section or left pane, you will see all the locations where you can put your document. For example, you want it to be seen in the desktop, so you click on desktop and choose desktop. And for the save as type, you will see the PDF type. And for the file name, we have a file name. If you want to change the file name, you can do that by typing the file name here. And then once you're happy with the setting that you have made, then you can now click on publish, and it will now start converting our document file into a PDF format. And you can now select an app to open this PDF file. So let's just exit that one, close this one. And here in our desktop, you will see the sample document PDF format that we have just made. And once we open that, we can open the PDF form in this one, just like this one. And another option or another way that we can do that is to go open again our our Word application, and let's just make another one. Let's say sample document 2. And we can convert this Word document here just by clicking again this save button here, and you will see that this window will come up on your screen. And this one, we can click for the location that we want for this document to be saved. And if you want to go with or to look for more locations, you can click on this one. So for example, I want to put this in my PC and then desktop. So in here, we have this save as window, and you will see here the save as type the save as type is in Word document. So all I can what I'm going to do here is to click this drop down button and look for the PDF format here in the options, this one, and just click on that. And you can also choose for the or if you want another type or another format for your document to be, you can choose Word template, and plain text, web page, and all the other document formats that you want. Okay, so I'll just click on PDF, and once I do that, I can now click on save, close this one. And you will see here that we have the another PDF document that we have. This one is the one we've made with the first step, and this one is the one we've made with the second step. Okay, so I hope you follow the process accordingly, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.